and welcome to the NewsX Sunday Guardian Roundtable. Today on the roundtable, we have a very interesting topic. We're going to be taking a look at the protection of personality and publicity rights of celebrities and also of ordinary people. This is an age of AI, an age of deepfakes, where anything can be copied, imitated, or just taken without your permission, whether it is your celebrity voice, whether it's a signature, whether it's your identity, your look. It can be used to endorse products. It can be used any way possible, whether it's for deepfakes or for advertisements, any use possible. So celebrities have actually objected against this. The Bachchans were perhaps the first to go and move the courts, but soon there have been other cases also, and we also have a landmark case which was filed by NTR Jr. He's the lead actor in War 2, also objecting to the use of his image, his identity, and his voice, and anything else connected with himself. I have the lead counsel also of that case. I have Alka Dahar. She is the founding partner of Law Offices of India, Dr. Alka, in fact. She fought the case, and I'll ask her about that and why is it a landmark judgment. Also with me is Percival Billy Moria. He's a senior advocate. So I also have with me Jitin Jain. He's a cyber security expert. Alka, I'll begin with you first. Tell us about the NTR case that you, on personality rights. What was the case entailed, and why is the judgment so important?
See, before NTR Jr., there were a lot of judgments that took place. Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, Ajay Devgan, and all that. Why NTR's case was a little special was because it was for the first time. Initially, every celebrity which had gone to the court, they had got interim order, a John Doe order, saying that, a stay order, to put it in simple terms. But in our case, the court said that, no, first you have to go under the intermediary rules 2021, and then you come back to us. Now that happened for the first time. So we did go, some of the infringing material was brought down, but some was not. So for that, we had to go back to the court and we got a John Doe order on that. So, but that also sent me, while I was thinking, and I did speak to you on that, that brings out a very important question. That is, under the intermediary rules, we do have to go back to the intermediary, like the Amazon, Flipkart, social media, social platforms. We have to write to them that, okay, now these are the infringing materials. You bring down those things. If you don't, then of course we will need to go to the court. But the only thing that's what struck me was that while we do write to them, they have to acknowledge it within 24 hours. Of course, if it's obscene, pornographic and stuff like that, then they have to bring it down within 36 hours. We do have these timelines, but they have 15 days under those rules to decide whether they need to bring down those infringing material or not. So what happens in those 15 days? My reputation, the financial liabilities of it all. Who's going to be liable for that? Now, that is a question which is unanswered till now. Not only that, even in AI, I personally think after the discovery of fire, invention of the wheel and the internet, I think AI is going to dramatically change how we see life today.